it is Landy with Up and On for Artists, and today we're going to be doing a Instagram workshop. So this is going to be very effective and powerful methods and strategies and apps and services that you can use to really extremely grow your Instagram. Crazy organic growth that has your Instagram going like this by the second, and have you auto everything. Okay, so it didn't record my voice, so I got to redo this with the voiceover. Okay, so this is the followers chief, and this is just from what I started on this new account. Pink Landy B is brand new. I made it just very recently. This is what we would make a new artist page just like this one, and kind of like duplicate it, and so I could show you how it works. Here is the dashboard. Um, unfollowers, ghosts, new unfollowers, followers, secret admirers, top likers, and whitelist. The top likers one would be used for building the email list and knowing who to target and all that, building the fan base. And there's also top commenters and things like that. I'll show you on the different software. But these are huge, and let's go into some more stuff. Um, okay, so just to show you how fast this works, all the targeted stuff right here is where you would target. So targeting, it would be like, this is how you get out of your city. So it would be like, Atlanta, New York, Los Angeles, places like that. And you can also target people, which I think I'm going to go to um, person. So hashtags, places, people. So if I was to go to like add a new tag, so of course we would match this up with whatever sound the artist has. So like if I add one, and I'm gonna put in baby, right? Boom. We're gonna go by the followers and the following. I don't know what I'm saying right here, but I have to be explaining it. That's basically just the followers. I'm gonna click by followers and by following, and you can do that to as many accounts as you want to. Of course, this would make sense to whoever they sound like. Let's go to adjustments. 30 lux this week. That was just automatically like within like 2 minutes of turning it on. I'm gonna turn it on in a second. 7 commenters, 7 likes, 7 followers. Those two, the likes and that other one, those are the main ones that are most effective. So if we go to adjust And this is huge, filling out all that right and doing these comments back. We can make the comments. So the comments are basically like very praising, you know what I'm saying, and versatile. So it's just saying like that. I like you. It fucks with you 100%. I'm a fan. I see you. Things like that. These are great comments. Automatically, it'll have you doing this interaction all day. So with the comment direct messaging, this is huge. I have the believing on my lies there. Um, this is where you want to put an outside link to your Spotify or Apple Music or whatever it is. And I'm gonna change mine to Quality D. Let's start here a little bit. So I'm gonna do new followers. So this is where you would put the new followers thing, where new followers get automatically get a message. Okay, so this is super important. This is the growth filters, and you want to check pretty much all of these. So you got the don't like the same users. So chief followers won't like the same users' posts more than 3 times. It will prevent disturbing the same accounts. Don't follow the same users. Don't follow the private accounts. Don't interact with nonprofit photo users. Maximum comments filter. Only interact with the media that have maximum selected amount of comments. Recommended values between 20 and 50. Don't comment on the same users. Unfollow only unfollowers, which is extra important. Unfollow only accounts chief followers followed. Timeline filters. Don't interact with the ads. Don't interact with your followers. Don't interact with your following. Cool, 2 new ones. Don't interact with non-tagged posts. And don't interact with NSFW content. Some adult tags are added into the blacklist. By default, it will prevent interacting with non-wanted content. Media type. What type of media do you want to interact with? Photo, video, and album. All 3 of those. Media age. The newest, and that's what you want. Is you want the newest. So yeah, you want to make sure you do that too. And let's see what's going on here. So right now, I just turned everything on and off. We got 30 likes already, 51 follows, 60 likes this week, 8 comments this week, 30 unfollows this week, 3 direct messages this week. This was all in the last 2 minutes. I just turned it back on. So this thing moves fast. Remember, don't have it move too fast because you'll get locked out your account. You can always get back in though. Just remember that. So we got 8 comments. So let's go check out the Instagram and see how that's doing. This is exactly what you want it to do. I just looked on here, and this is exactly what you want. You want one person to like all type of your posts, and that's exactly what's going on here, and that's what we do this for. And this is why I love Followers Chief, because look at that interaction, perfectly like I like it. This is what I want. This is what you want. This is why you want to use Followers Chief. Beautiful, beautiful example. Nice. Nice. Very, very nice. I hope it works the same way for you guys. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. Okay? Quick recap. So this Followers Chief, Chief Followers, I'm sorry. You can add more accounts like that. You can add whatever account you like. If you're doing this for products, then you want to put in those links in the comments of the growth tools. Let's see. Let's just go through this. So this is where you will get your secret admirers. Your top likers are the accounts that you're going to reach out to and send them messages and get their email. And that's how you're going to start building up your fan list through that way, and your top likers and your top commenters and all that. But also there'll be some more of that in the other app software that I'm going to show you. So but just remember that you want to definitely do your whitelist on who you don't want to unfollow, and new unfollowers who have unfollowed you recently. Oh no, you don't care about that. So yeah, so that's that part. And you want to always have your eyes on the top likers and secret admirers. And for if you did the promo arsenal, which is the very first video after you do your cosmetics, then you would have already ready your line that you want to do for your direct comments. For your direct comments, and you should already have that filled out from your promo arsenal. So it should be an easy copy and paste to fill out the comments. And again, you want to make sure that you are only targeting what your analytics are telling you on Spotify. And so again, you want to only target what your analytics are saying on your Spotify. So you want to only target the locations, the top locations that you have on your Spotify, your top cities, and of course the top couple people that are most similar to you. And you want to always have these on. And the comments, you always want to have these neutral, so something that can always go on any post, and you want it to be kind of praising the person. So like, love you, nice, all these things. This is a huge part of the 5-second method. Huge part. Simply because if you have the authority, and this is why you have to have over 10,000 followers for this to work correctly. You have to. That gives you the authority, and then once they see that an account that has over 10,000 followers has interacted with them in such a way, they get really excited and they interact with you just triple, quadruple times more, more than if you had less followers. They do not get as excited as if you have less followers. They do not um, dissect your followers and do all that. They get 5 seconds. Another way that the 5 second rule works is having a good profile little bubble picture. You want to make that picture as intriguing as possible. You only got 5 seconds, so make sure you make that intriguing as possible. Trying to put somewhere in that picture what it is that you are interesting by, like your own interesting thing, um, and so that will help. And you don't need to do too much more of the comments other than emojis and things like "I fucks with you" and "I'm a fan" and "I see you," and all those are great ones. They think it's coming straight from you. Filling out these, you should already have that arsenal filled out. So it should be easy for you to fill these out. Making sure the new followers get a "thank you for following me," woo doo woo doo woo, woo doo woo woo woo, right? And um, yeah, and you have these. This is where you can put your outside links at, and let's see what else. This is where you can put your outside links at. Um, we already said where you can get your start growing your email. Oh yeah, so the message that you would send your new followers would be like, "Hey, can I get your email so I can exclusively send you, um, new music or music I want opinions on, or make them feel special, right?" Yeah. So yeah, get the $25 a month. If you cannot afford $25 for your music and for your career, for your shit, then you need to just, I don't know what you're gonna do. If you can't afford $25, I don't know if this is gonna be good for you, this journey. So hopefully you can invest $25, because for you to even got here, you had to invest $100. So I'm guessing that $25 is not going to be too much or too bad for you. Um, and it's definitely worth it. It's one of the best things to get your Instagram booming, and wow, it just works so good. Um, Last thing, I'm going to say this one more time because people freak out about it. You cannot get kicked out of your account forever, and there's nothing they can do but have you change your password. You can do that a million quadrillion times. So, like I said, just go up with the passwords, whatever your password is, one, and then once they kick you off, go two. Once they kick you off, go three. Once they kick you off, go four. Keep going. I'm all the way at like 109. So like they can't do nothing but that. That's as far as they'll go. You will never get your account banned or anything like that. You have nothing to worry about on that end. So I really hope you hear that. And next we will be going to Instabot. So we are not done, and I hope that you're excited about how this worked. And I will see you on the next video, which will be the Instabot software. And let's go.